Tammy legitimately comes from a place of caring about you. Like she cares about you personally, and not just what you can achieve for the business. We actually encourage employees, and Tammy's been encouraging employees for years, to bring them their whole selves to work. You don't have to leave anything or check anything at the door. Be who you are. And I think out of caring and respecting the whole person, she's able to get a lot more out of people than might otherwise be possible.
She has a heart for serving, and she brings her management skills and her leadership skills, very strong woman, into the community, and she's making a difference here.
I think the biggest thing I would say to young people who are daring and willing to be a leader is you will fail. You will let your team down. You will have moments that cause you great distress and moments of doubt. But it does not matter when you sit in the seat, when you own what it is, where you're going. You just get up the next morning and you do it again. And that's the courage of being a leader. It is not always pretty, and it's not always people are excited about what you have to do as a leader. But whatever it is, show up,